Hi, I'm Ross Mitchell, VP Corporate Shared Services with MHIRJ. We're here at Macon for our ribbon cutting for the new Macon facility that we're opening today. And we just have a few questions for Ismail.
So for us, Macon is the new growth frontier for MHIRJ. We support the East Corridor of the United States through our West Virginia facility, the West Corridor through our Arizona facility, and now we have a footprint in the south of the U.S.
Can't wait to get going and grow this facility, and we're on a good start, and I couldn't be happier.
I am extremely excited about today. We've been looking forward to this, and we've been building really hard to get to today, so to see it all come together, it's amazing.
I am so excited about this. I mean, it's been a long time coming, but we made it through.
Geographically, it makes a lot of sense to us. It's just a short drive down the highway from our biggest hub in Atlanta, so it's easy for us to move resources, materials, parts, people down to Macon quickly. So we're excited about where Macon's located on the map, and we're hoping it's going to work for us really well.
The key factor for success in MRO is the access to qualified and skilled labor force. That is going to be very strategic to our growth in MHIRJ.
We're local, and like I said, they have experience on the aircraft. We got people coming from out west, and they want to work for us, and it's great.
We work well as a team. I already feel like we're a family, and we just look forward to putting out some quality work.
Curtis has built a dream team of very hard workers. We gonna make it work.
I'm very excited. We can actually get down to what we really need to do, work on airplanes.
We've always relied on one another, and we've had great customer service from MHIRJ, and we look to continue this partnership long into the future.